Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iMessage notifications if it's not working. All right, so first up, we go ahead and try to enable messages alerts. And sometimes a minor iOS update can disconnect notification parameters behind the scenes. So what you'll do to go ahead and fix that, go ahead over to settings right here. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, scroll all the way down and you'll find apps. So tap on apps and then just go ahead over to messages. Okay, tap on it, and then once done, go ahead over to notifications right here, tap, and make sure that everything right here is enabled. Okay, and make sure as well that sounds is set to anything instead of none. Now when you go ahead and go back to notifications, you will have banner style. So should it be temporary or persistent? If I were you, I'm going to go ahead and try to select persistent and check if it works. Okay, after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, maybe if you're missing a notification from just one or two specific people, you may have accidentally muted their message thread. So to go ahead and check, open up the Messages app, and then look down your chat list for a /bell icon. Let's say I'm going to mute this guy or hide alerts right here. As you can see, you have this bell icon with a slash. Now to go ahead and unmute, tap and hold, and then show alerts. There you go. Now, if that still won't work, maybe you have enabled focus mode or active focus mode. So let's go ahead and open up our control center right here. Now, just go ahead and look for a focus button. It might say do not disturb, work, or sleep right here. As you can see, I have focus. So make sure that this one is grayed, not white. Again, grayed out. If it's grayed out, well, it's turned off. And there you have it. Those are the ways to fix iMessage notifications if it's not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.